Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Android Auto is not working on Realme 16 Pro. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and you will see restart device from here. After restart device you will see a problem is solved, but if it not solved, so check your charger. After check your charger, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to App Library. Here click on Settings App. Now in Setting, scroll down, and click on System and Update. After click on System and Update, click on Software Update, and you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix Android Auto is not working on Realme 16 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.